Never have I had a crush on a co-star. Never have I ever ghosted someone after making plans. Say yes to it. Say yes to it.
Yes. यार मेरे साथ एक ना इशू है. सो ना मैं वैसे तो बहुत सच बोलती हूँ. I'll just say कि your script is very nice, sir or ma'am, but this is something I think it doesn't align with my interest, kind of.
Never have I ever DM'd a celebrity and gotten ignored. Listen, guys, at the holy party that we went to, somebody has come and spoken to her for a good 7 minutes. So I'm thinking, okay, they know each other. Maybe she knows. I didn't know that person. And after 7 minutes, I'm like, Acha, who's this? Because I didn't know. She's like, I don't know. I thought you know. Never have I ever faked being sick to skip an event.
कर सकती हूँ मैं.
Never have I ever forgotten my lines during a shoot.
Of course I have.
And how did you react? Like, first day, do you remember? Did you forget lines? First day on a set?
First day on a set. नहीं, first day on a set नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ है, but I do forget lines. It's normal. कभी fumble हो जाता है, कभी line भूल जाते हो. It's normal.
Never have I ever had a nightmare of like falling on stage. Like if on the ramp maybe.
Never.
Never have I had a crush on a co-star.
I have.
Of course. Never have I ever ghosted someone after making plans. Say yes to it. Say yes to it.
Yes.
I am the one. मुझे 100 बार बोला जाता है कि this Friday we will meet and that Friday has not come, guys. Never. Now you better change that.
Next Friday I mean. कल कभी नहीं आता.
अब आना पड़ेगा.
अब आएगा.
Never have I ever messed up a romantic scene.
Not really, but it can be possible. Not really.
Never have I ever lied about liking a script. कि स्क्रिप्ट आई और बहुत ही गंदी थी पर फिर भी मैं ठीक है.
यार मेरे साथ एक ना इशू है. सो ना मैं वैसे तो बहुत सच बोलती हूँ, लेकिन ना मैं ना किसी का ऐसे मोरल डाउन नहीं कर सकती हूँ. सो इवन इफ आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट, आई विल जस्ट से कि योर स्क्रिप्ट इज वेरी नाइस सर और मैम, बट दिस इज समथिंग आई थिंक इट डजंट अलाइन विद माय इंटरेस्ट, काइंड ऑफ. सो आई हैव सेड इट मे बी.
Never have I ever laughed during an emotional scene.
आई हैव ऑफ कोर्स. मुझे बहुत पसंद है हंसना, कई बार जब हो जाता है तो, but I try to control it.
Listen, I feel that she laughs invariably, even when she's emotional in her life. At that point also, she's laughing only. Never have I ever DM'd a celebrity and gotten ignored. किसी को DM भेजा है कभी?
हाँ, मैंने भेजा है.
किसको?
मैंने पद्मावत के टाइम पर खिलजी का जो कैरेक्टर रणवीर सिंह जी ने प्ले किया था उनको भेजा है मैंने मैसेज, एंड आई अप्रिशिएटेड हिम द परफॉर्मेंस. हिज परफॉर्मेंस, ही वाज रियली गुड. सो डेफिनेटली आई थिंक वी शुड ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट.
Never have I ever faked being sick to skip an event.
कर सकती हूँ मैं. बट नॉर्मली नहीं करती हूँ.
ये वाला तो डेफिनेट किया है. नेक्स्ट वाला. Never have I ever forgotten someone's name at a party.
I have. I do it almost every day because मेरे साथ प्रॉब्लम है, नाम का कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है मुझे. Sometimes I'm like कि hi and then I'm waiting कि वो नाम बोलेगा, or maybe like I'm introducing you to my friend and I'm like this is this and this is, so I forgot your name now. Now I'm waiting that you'll meet the person, you will say your name and I'll listen to it and I'll remember it. So I've done that also.
Listen, guys, at the holy party that we went to, Ankita and Vicky's, she has spoken to somebody has come and spoken to her for a good 7 minutes. So I'm thinking, okay, they know each other. Maybe she knows. I didn't know that person. And after 7 minutes, I'm like, Acha, who's this? Because I didn't know. She's like, I don't know. I thought you know. I'm like, no, we both didn't know. Never have I. Now that person didn't know. Never have I ever binge watched my own show.
I have.
You have?
Husband की रात.
Never have I ever realized too late that my outfit was a little see-through.
But then I don't bother क्योंकि इतना तो मुझे पता है कि मैं इतना तो pull off कर सकती हूँ. It's okay, I can just pull it off, or I'll do something with my hair open or something. But I can pull it off, I guess.
Never have I ever copied a celebrity fashion look.
I did not try, and if it happened, then.
But one fashion
But
look.
maybe मुझे लगता है copy कैसे हो सकता है? See, I am me.
Yeah,
The
attitude.
other person is other person. It's their style. मेरा कुछ अलग element होगा. मैं क्या करूँगी? But that is my style. I'll add up style to. I think कोई भी outfit similar हो सकता है, but style is your own.
Never have I ever messed up a dress code. for an event?
किया होगा
किया होगा?
आई थिंक किया होगा, बट हाँ मतलब हो सकता है, दैट इज वेरी बेसिक, हो सकता है.
Never have I ever loved
नहीं,
some
messed up like giving.
like no मतलब कि बोला गया है ब्लैक पहन के जाओ बट देखा नहीं और ब्लैक की जगह पे ब्लैक टाई
वो
इवेंट
कर सकती हूँ मैं.
Never have I ever liked something so much that I have not returned.
No, I have never.
Actually, you have always returned.
Yeah.
Never have I ever avoided fans because I was in sweatpants and flip-flops.
No, I don't. Not because of my costume or because I haven't applied makeup, but I can do that if I'm not in good mood or maybe I'm like in my personal zone. Then that time I can do it, shayad. But otherwise, for costume or without makeup, it doesn't bother me. So.
I hope that you meet me and don't like cancel plans. Let the Friday come soon.
Friday.
Today is a Friday as we speak. The biggest irony of it. But all the best.
See, I told you I'll meet you on Friday. Here we are on Friday, sitting with Nayan. Promise complete.
But to many more projects, and you know that you will always have my support and my love.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Nayan. Long time no see.
No, not long time no see. अभी तो होली पे मिले थे.
Oh, okay.
But actually, when you watch her walk the ramp, you know that the queen was queening. Priyanka and Mansi joined me for a conversation only on my channel, 9 Cents. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Tell me, how was the experience walking the ramp? I know it's not new for you, but every time that you prepare or prep up, Alia Bhatt used to tell me, like in an interview, she said that whenever she goes on the ramp, before that, she likes eating a little bit and she likes to listen to music to like chill. What do you do usually?
I think kind of same, not exactly, but I need to chill a bit. तो उस टाइम मुझे ज़्यादा chaos नहीं चाहिए. मेरा लिप कलर कैसा है, मेरा ये कैसा है, it's okay, I'll manage, I'll pull it off on the ramp, it's okay. तो मुझे उस टाइम पे थोड़ा सा वो चाहिए कि space, शांति. Otherwise बहुत chaos में अगर मुझे stage पे कर दिया ना, and I'll be like, what is happening, guys? So I definitely need a little chill before that.
Tell us what made you select her? Like we know, we love her, but what made you select her?
Priyanka is gorgeous, bold, confident, and she totally owns every moment she's on the screen. And I really, really love the way she pulls anything she's wearing. So I think that she was the perfect choice. She's looking gorgeous in this bodycon dress. And I think the way she walked the ramp, she ruled the runway. And I'm so, so happy, Priyanka, to have
Even
you
I am.
as our showstopper for our debut collection. And just so overwhelmed and happy.
But you know, how does the idea of Niara, the brand idea of Niara, the brand value of Niara blend with Priyanka?
So Niara is always about is something which is called unique in Sanskrit. So Niara means unique, and we want to make every woman in the world feel that they are unique, and this is a dress meant for them. And I think the way the poise and the way Priyanka walks and the way she she acts, she's just the way she is in a normal life as well, when she's speaking to people, socializing, or just walking the ramp, posing as well, her pictures, she's so photogenic. So I think that that's a sign of being really, really confident, and that is the message we want to we want all the women to know that clothes are just an extension of your skin, and you need to be confident in whatever you wear. And that's what Priyanka is. She's always confident. She's always like, yeah, I can pull this off. I know yesterday we met for the fittings and she was like, I can pull this off. So I think that's the spirit, and that's the message Niara wants to convey to Indian women, that you can pull it off.
Thank you, Mansi. You're so sweet.
That is so sweet.
Such good words.
Like you said that Niara means something unique. So what is it that you think separates you from everybody else and makes you stand out?
Okay, so again, if you'll have to show up, then why don't you show out? Like, stand out. So that is the one thing I follow. And with Niara also, I try to own the stage, and I just tried, yeah. I haven't even seen yet. मेरी walk भी नहीं देखी है, but I'm super excited as I've heard a lot of good words from her and from other people. So I really want to see. And yeah, I think confidence again, what she said. So what happens ना, मैं पहले से जैसे we were talking about ना कि backstage, तो backstage में अपना वो confidence gain करती हूँ. It's okay. You're gonna go on the ramp, kill it there. That's what I do. So the confidence I need to, क्योंकि हर किसी को थोड़ी सी nervousness हो जाती है. It's okay and it's totally okay because you're humans. You have emotions or कुछ करते हैं, then you need to calm down a bit and wear your confidence with a smile, with the outfit, just kill it there, and that is what I follow.
Thank you so much for doing this. It was lovely talking to you.
Same
and
here.
to many more collections
Thank
because
you
this is your
so
debut.
much. Thank
Thank you.
Thank you.